Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here, I made it. All right, get my phone out of my pocket. Oh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you may be. It's like in Warlord. The Stash! Hello. Alright. A little late today. That's alright. Trying to get set up here. Trying to make it spooky. Trying to make her spooky. Improvised spookiness. So bear with me. Let me get this thing rolling. Gotta make sure I get everything up and snuffed. So hope you're all doing well. Hello. I have made it back from my travels. I'm back in my lair. Unfortunately, I didn't quite have enough time to get everything set up super spooky yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. So if you'll forgive my modest spookiness tonight, tomorrow I will make sure that we are all spooked out. Okay? So that all being said, I hope you're doing well. Flight and everything went well on my end. Made it safely. Sean said a little late today. I'm trying to get to bed early, but I'm always usually awake for your stream. Well, listen, Sean, I appreciate you being here. What do you want me to say, Sean? I flew across multiple states. I did my best, okay? I did my best. See, my hair's all fugazi. I got the light off to try and make it spookier. I'm actually going to be doing homework for the beginning of the stream, so I promise it won't be the most interesting thing. And I apologize for that, but I gotta get this stuff submitted. So I hope you can forgive me. But yeah, I've got some homework stuff to do. I'm gonna get that done. Hopefully it'll take me about an hour. And then we'll move forward like usual. So spooked out. Spookerson. We're gonna go ahead and turn spooky off. So I'm gonna move chat over here. Oh, we'll move it right there. See, I got my spooky pumpkin. Spooky. Am I spooky enough for you yet? The Earth is against us. Your time zone is earlier than mine. Well, that's the thing. Technically, I'm still streaming on time today, so that's all that matters. Basically, I got 2 different classes I got to do stuff in, so I'm gonna try and knock it out as best I can. But yeah, I got the Doom guy down. Let's go back full screen. I got the Doom guy back down. I don't think it works. I'm not gonna bother trying to turn it on until I change the batteries. But I was trying to get him spooked out, but I don't want him to fall down. So, you know, I'm trying to be spooky. Trying to be spooky, baby. Trying to be spooky. Basically, coding-wise, what we're doing is we're trying to simulate a CPU and at its most basal level. I've got multiple projects. This was something. This is RAM right here. This is input. This is an input. Anything that's a squared rectangle or square is input, and anything that's a circle is output. So see how this one's rounded? That is an output. These are inputs. Okay. So we send to the RAM an address, and then it outputs whatever's in there. And depending on which inputs I have here, it tells it which register to sit it in. Register being just a place to store data. And then here, this is our ALU, which its job is to do addition, subtraction, and which is basically like either all of them or all of the inputs are 1. If all the inputs are not 1, it outputs a 0. Or it does the or which is if any of the inputs are 1, it will output a 1. So and is to ensure that every input is a 1, or is if any of the inputs are 1. So that's what this chip does. This is also the register chip that we made in the last class. So I'm trying to get this assignment. This is what I missed today, and it's a little more complicated than I thought. I thought I was going to basically be able to just slap this together, and turns out that I cannot. So here we are. We're going to save this as what are we calling this thing? Actually, yeah, let's call it test PC and IR. I think that's what we're supposed to call it. Test PC and IR. Go back up to the top here. Open our register circuit. Yeah, test PC and IR. And then name, of course. Okay. So where we're at right now, I just created this adder, which this is 8 bits in to an adder chip, which was pre-made, and then I'm sending it a 1, a single 1. So 1 bit of 1. Here I have 8 bits of 0. Here I've got 1 bit of 1 and the rest are zeros. This is going into an adder, and as you can see, it outputs a 1 bit. So I gave it 0, and this is adding 1 to it. So if I were to give it 1, it would now give me 2. So 1 0 means 2 bits, or it means the number 2. 0 means 0, 1 means 1. 1 0 means 2, 1 1 means 3, 1 0 0 is 4, 1 0 1 5, 1 1 0 6, 1 1 1 7, and on 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 and on. So the next step is to make a chip out of it, which I did. So this is my chip. Okay, and then after that I need to add it into this, which is my test PC and IR. So you can see I've added it here, and I was told to add it facing west, which I did. That's why the words are upside down. And if we put it like this, it should flip them. If it doesn't, oh well, whatever. Okay, so then we go from this to this, which is just way more. Connect the D flip-flop with the RAM to hold what comes out of memory and propagate it to either the registers or the program counter, depending on what comes out of the memory. We will decode it and pass it to the registers if needs arithmetic, or to the program counter if what comes out is an address. The explanation of the circuit is in class. So if we make this full screen, basically this is kind of what we already had, right? We already had this in here. Sean said I had a class like this, skipped almost all the classes. I found it so easy I didn't even need to go to class, still pass all the tests, but at some point near the end of the semester. Well, I mean, to be fair, I didn't want to miss class today, obviously. But we have tunnels right here for our registers, which that's unnecessary, I feel like, because I basically already have that. Basically, I have the registers right here, so I guess that's a way to make it cleaner. But I'll do what was, I'll do what I'm supposed to do. Also, I do have my beverages. I don't think I've been lacking on that. Introduce some new stuff to me, more complicated, ended up not doing so well. I enjoy this. I mean, I've been gaming on CPUs my whole life, right? So getting to learn what some of it does. Alright. This is tequila and Mountain Dew. Okay. Drink, cheers, salute, keep Sanche Prost. God damn, that's terrible. Okay. So, where is that adder chip? It's up here. Okay. So, for perspective, let's go ahead and make our tunnels so that way that's done. I'm gonna disconnect all of these wires. And then I'm gonna bring these up here out the way. And it's reversed, so what we'll do is make them face east, which flips them around, and then we need to move the label to west. So east and then west. I need to change this one to west and this one to west. So now I need to make tunnels. I don't know why we're doing it like this, but I'm gonna do it because it's what I'm supposed to do. I guess it's to make this more compact. I guess that's the point, to make it more compact. Okay, we're going to put our label to the east. And these were my instructions on ALU operations, so put those right there. Okay, so I'm going to call this R0. Hit enter. And then I'm going to copy it and paste it. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. There you go. So those are my registers. I guess we can move them in. I need to come back one. Okay, they're giving me orange because they're set for 1 bit when they're going to be receiving 8 bits. So now that should go away. Okay, now they should be happy. We're going to make this 1. This will be 2, and this will be 3. So what's important is that my naming is the same. If I don't get the name right, it won't work. So what's better than copy pasta? Nothing. Copy pasta everything. Alright, and now you can see we've got that done. So that's taken care of. This is out of our way. We got our AC, our ALU, S bus. Now I got a tunnel for the S bus and a tunnel for the D bus. So I'm going to have to modify that slightly. Move this up and move this up, and then we're going to make 2 more tunnels. So this will be D bus. Make this up a little higher. Okay, that's going to need to be an 8-bit tunnel. Copy, paste. And we're going to be sending that signal somewhere else, obviously. We're going to be sending it up here to this MUX multiplexer. Okay. So what I'm going to do is select all of this and drag it down. I'm going to bring this over here out the way. And then here's that PC adder chip that I added in. I probably need more room, to be honest, but we'll bring this a little lower just to be sure. Okay, so this is gonna go out and up and go all the way to my mux, which I have not put in yet, but we're going to put in right now. So mux stands for multiplexer. So if we come here to plexers, multiplexer. Now I want 2 select bits. I want it facing west, and I don't want a enable bit, so I'll turn that off to no. And now we're gonna pop that on there. Data bits need to be 8. Now it'll be happy. So from here we're gonna output this way. I can probably compact some of this, I'm being honest. Looks like I compacted a bit. Okay, this is a register, this is a register. So PC adder is going to come out and go up to a regular small mux. So we'll drag another multiplexer in here. Okay, we need to make it 8 bits. And just say no enable bit. And this is going to be an input of 1. That's what it appears. That's going to face north. Okay. Multiplexer on. Output to register. Which registers are in memory. There you go. There's the register. So we need to give a clock pulse here, which is in wiring. We're going to go up 1 to make more room. And we're going to face this north. This will be our clock pulse. And we also need to give it an on, which we'll give there. So that's set up. This is going to chain back here. Now we need to label this PC. Enter. And we're going to make it bold, is what it looks like he wants. Bold, and we'll make it a little bigger. Okay, PC. Honestly, it looks like he's got it even bigger than that. We'll go 18. Okay, that looks about right. PC. So, PC adder, we need to label this one. Let's go PC adder. And we're going to make that face south. We're also going to make it larger. We'll go 18 and bold. We'll go down to 16 to save a little room. 17. 17 is not 16 in case you're wondering. Cheers, salute, give us such a pros to drink. That's just tequila, bro. Alright, PC adder. So now, from here, this is going to come down to our deval, which I'm going to continue having an input for. The thing is, I need to move this over to the right. So, I'm going to pull deval out of our way. And basically, we're going to snatch all of this up. I'll do that again. It's a lawn chair, that's right, baby. We're going to drag this over. So I'm going to put this, for now, out of the way. We'll move this over, and we'll move this over. Because now I need this line to come right here, down to deval. Okay, we got deval. Now we need another register in line right here. So we're going to delete that. Copy, paste. There and there. And we're also going to need to give it a clock. And give it an on input. So that's that register taken care of. We're going to call it though immediate R. IMED R. I'm going to make it 16. It's a little smaller. And then we're going to label this. I'm going to try and label it, but it's not letting me. Okay. We're going to label this with a regular label then. I'll call it RAM. And we're going to make that big and bulky. Alright, there's RAM. Okay, so now we've got a load. We're giving it a load. We're not giving it a clear. We're going to give it a clock pulse. And we're going to give it a selector. So now it's got values. Okay, that looks better. Okay, clear is going to be fine. So now we're taking memory address and we're running it up here to the beginning of this mux. Now I don't have an output. I do have an output. No, I don't have an input, I have an output. Okay, so we can delete that. This is going to come straight up here to this mux. And I want an output right here. Again, this is all 8 bits, not 1 bit, so I'm going to have to change that to 8 bits. I'm going to make it face south. Okay. And this mux needs some work, so we're going to work on that. We're going to come out. And this goes into our second mux input or bit, like that. We can probably compact this a little bit. Like that. Okay. I'm happy with that. So now we need to go with address select. I've got two 2-bit inputs. Now, before I move any further, we're going to copy dbus, bring dbus over here. Okay, and then we're going to bring, this is SBus. I need to rename that, because the tunnels go by name, so if I fuck up the names, it's not going to work. So we got to make sure we get that right. And there's SBus. Okay. So now we've got SBus, dbus, And then now we need to come here and give it two options. Two 2-bit I'm sorry, an input and an output. So input, we're going to face it west, and then the output, that needs to be everything's got to be the correct bits here. 2 bits. We're going to do output 2 bits facing east, and we're calling it address select. And that's going to be on the south side. Okay. So, PC comes up here. And comes just like that. Okay, I think we got it. I think that's it. So we got RAM with its its clock and its 2 other inputs. We've got a register here, MEMORIAM, with the input and clock. And we've got our deval right here to show what it is. I'll probably bring that down. Shit. You gotta be careful when you delete shit around here because the whole fucking thing will disappear. Okay. We'll drag that like that. Okay. There's deval. Okay. We got our line coming up here to the 0 on the mux. And then this is going to the PC adder. Which, to be fair, we can probably compact this in a little bit. No need for it to be so bulky. Okay, Mux has it selected. So let's go ahead and turn on where we need ones. We need one here, one here. D right's on. That's 0. These both are on, and then we have to send a clock to it, which we haven't done yet. So that's why those are. I don't want to make those green until we're ready. Okay, I think we can compact this a little more. But what I'm going to do first is grab this, move it over. And that way I can grab this and snug this over to the left. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing. Grab this, bring it over nice and tight. And then we can grab our registers here and bring those in. Now I feel like we got a good, we have a very bulky amount of space here. That's okay. It'll be alright. We need a label that says address bus here. And we're going to need to change that, make it at least bold. Make it bold to maybe 14. And then now we need to put one that says memory address. Memory address. Okay. RAM, MEMORIAM. No clock yet. PC adder, that's on, that's on. S bus. We got output and input of address select. Okay. We need to do a JPEG, PC, and immediate register. Okay, I don't have any data going in, so let's see if we can actually give this a clock. Yes, we can. Okay, we'll just turn the clocks on then. Okay, so we got that, we got all that. Results, ALO operation, D-bus, S-bus. That all looks good. MEMORIAM. Everything. I got everything really tight and crowded, but that's the way I want it. Fine. I think that's everything. Oh, I need to change the value on this register. This value needs to be 1A. Okay, so that's 1A. This is 0, 0. Mux is fine. And here, we got zeros everywhere. Oh, I gotta click on this. Trying to get it to send the data for what this memory address is. I don't remember how to. I want to be on here. I don't know how to move. If I hit enter, it goes down, right? But oh, that needs to be 0C. Nope. 08. I need to send it 11010. Let's just fling that in there real quick. Face it west. Okay, I'm gonna give it 11010. That's not working. I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm gonna have to clock. I'm gonna have to do the clock. Let's clock it. Simulate 1 tick. Simulate tick. Let me turn all my clocks off. So hopefully they tick. Simulate tick. Simulate tick. Nothing. Reset simulation. Tick once. Tick once. Tick once. Nothing. I gotta turn these on. Let's turn all this on. Alright. Tick. Oh, I gotta give it the address again. 11010. Tick. Why aren't we ticking? I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna figure it out, goddammit. Okay. Now we're cooking. Okay. That's what I want. Now we delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. Simulate, tick once. Step simulation. Why is everything blue? Set as main circuit. Okay, we're gonna file save. We're gonna close it, and we're gonna open recent. There we go. Okay. So how do I get the data I want over there? I need to send the data. Let's try this again. We need an 8-bit in. We don't have 8-bit in anywhere? Am I missing an 8-bit in somewhere? No, I've got 8-bit out everywhere. Okay. All my things are outputs. Okay. Let's go ahead and make this 1 1 0 1. On. Address select 0 0. Clock on, clock on. Okay. Do 1 tick. There we go. 1 tick. Delete this. Tick. Control T. Tick. We're not loading what I want to load. Alright, let's tick. 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 We're not getting the data up here. See how address bus is staying 0? I don't know what he did in class. Oh, okay. I need to make this 1A. Tick. Now we're cooking. That's what it was. We didn't have the we didn't have this register reading 1A. That's what it was. Okay. We're good. This is it. This is it. So now we're going to upload a JPEG called PC and immediate register. Okay. So we're going to take this and we're going to export. And what are we calling it again? I done already forgot. PC and immediate register. Okay. This is lab 15. PC and immediate register. Okay. PC and immediate register. Okay. So that's done. And now if I go to upload, I need to upload memory has a start location of 0, has 0. Okay. I didn't upload the right I need to give it data. That's where I fucked up. I didn't give it any data. We're gonna give it data now. This is what I need to give it. So upload 5 plus 7. Okay. So memory has a starting location of 0. Okay. And inside of this, we're going to put 05 FF 07 and 08. To get to number 8, out of memory, you have to give address 3 to the program counter via clock pulses. Then you have to arrange the registers to receive the 08. Okay. So, register 0, 0, register 1, 0, register 2 is 101, and register 3 is 111. Okay, so the address is here. So basically, if we clock pulse, it should run through everything. It's not moving to the next RAM piece. So how do I get it? 08. I gotta give this 08. Clock pulse. Nope. We're not getting it to the RAM. Oh, here we go. Okay, deregister. I want to send it 7. How do I send it 7? That's 4. So I want to send 2 here, I think. Clock pulse. Nope. 0, 2. Clock pulse. Nope. We got something fugazi here. Basically, we're not giving it. We're not getting any movement from our memory. Excuse me. Which makes sense because we're not giving it any data. To get number 8 out of memory, you have to give address 3 to the program counter via clock pulses. And you have to arrange that the registers receive 08. Right. The problem with that is we're trying to give it clock pulses and it's not doing anything with those clock pulses. The immediate register is 8. Okay, I can't give it anything because the clock's on. Okay, so 08. The PC is 4. R2 is 5. R3 is 7. ALU operation 10. Result of the addition is 12. We're not getting anywhere allotted. Lux is going here. I wonder if this isn't working, my PC adder. It might be my PC adder that's fucked up. So let's do this. Let's face it east. That's the only thing I can think of. That's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay. Now we got red. Okay. So the adder is back. The adder was right. Okay. let's reset simulation. And let's give our data again. If it's 0, it should get 0 in. Check Discord, might help. Yeah, what's up, Big Sex? Yeah, so I made the adder and it doesn't seem like the adder's working, which is what I'm getting at. I wonder if I mean, the adder itself is working, right? And we made the chip out of it. Input, output. So we give it in 0, it should output 1, right? So if we come here, we got it back, we got it upside down, right? So we're giving it 0. Currently we're giving it 0 because our address is 0. So we're giving the mux 0, which means we should be getting 0 coming out here. Right? Let's go ahead and put our ons everywhere we need them. Just here. And D right's on. Okay. I think that's all my ons. And then I got to do clock pulses, right? So ideally, we get a 0 in here. Let's, I want to see something. I want to check. I want to check what this is. Okay. See, I'm getting an output of 1. Okay. So in that mux, we're giving it 1. And then that should be coming in here. And we should be giving this register. This is it should be maybe I put the wrong registers in, but I'm pretty sure I did. Right one. DQs. Yeah, that's the right registers. I'm not getting my adder's not working. It's got to be it. It's the adder's fugazing. All right, let's run a clock pulse. Clock pulse is on. See, we're not getting any movement. We're not getting any movement out of our PC adder. Is the big issue. Every time we tick in the pulse, we're not getting any movement. That 1's staying a 1. What is our output right here? Facing south. That's 1. And then we're feeding back in here. Everything's staying 1. And I don't like that. I don't want that. I want it to move. See, now we're getting 0. So now we're getting somewhere. We're just consistently sending it back 0. We're sending this register a 1, but it's not doing anything with it. See, that would move it. It's not accepting the value from this mux. See, now things are incrementing. So for some reason, we're giving it a 1, but this mux is not happy. Or rather, this register is not happy. Let me go back to memory and make sure D flip-flop 8-bit register. Is that what I'm supposed to have as a D flip-flop? But this looks like a regular register. Connect the D flip-flop 8-bit register with the RAM. Oh, am I supposed to be... Hold on. Am I supposed to be using my register chip? That's where... Yeah, you good, Brent. Thank you. Hey, thank you for, man. I appreciate this sentiment. Like, if you look at this, this doesn't look anything like this, right? If you look at the image, that looks like what we're using. This is just a regular register. Notice the difference. Right? So, I don't think that's... But he specifically says connect a D flip-flop 8-bit register. So, I'm wondering if that's the... that's not the chip we made down here. Right? That's not this chip. So we know that. Do I have... Did I do an 8-bit register somewhere? Let's see. Lab 13 register. 8-bit register. Okay, 8-bit register. I do have 8-bit register chip. Yeah, that's this big mamma jamma. Which that's clearly not what we need for right here. Yeah, that's not that. Okay. So let's go ahead and delete these. Well, I'm gonna just put a fresh one. Memory D flip. Connect the D flop with the RAM to hold what comes out. Oh no, let me see. Somebody sent me something earlier. I got the mux to the right spot. I think I figured it out. Okay. I think I figured it out. So if I look at his drawing, this is an output and that's an input. But if we go to the actual, we go to this also has the same thing. But what I was sent earlier, it's 2 inputs. And what Brent sent me is 2 inputs. That might be where I'm fucking up. That might be it. Let's try it. Address. Add ADR cell. Okay, we're gonna make that a south. Okay. I'm gonna copy, paste, put this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, Betsy. Whoa, Betsy. Whoa, Betsy. Calm your tits, girl. Calm down. Okay, we're not doing 20. We'll do 18. Matter of fact, I'm going to do 16. Okay. Delete this. Now, we've got 1. It's clock pulse. Clock pulse, clock pulse. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing, 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 not a whole lot of nothing. The problem is we're not, this register is not giving us what it should be giving us. I.e., it's not going. Right. That's the issue that needs a tissue, baby. We're sending from the mux, right? That's all gravy. We got our S bus, we got our D bus, which are 0 right now, so it doesn't even matter. Yeah, this is just going to the mux, and it should be right. Should just be sending. We're sending one into this register, but the register is not taking the one. It's not doing anything with the one. See what I'm saying? Even if I remove this 0 from right here, we're still not getting anything. Okay. Let's play hardball. We give it 0, 1. And then we clock pulse. It just goes back to 0. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's turn our clock pulses off and run a clock pulse. We're just going back to 0. No matter what we do, we're going back to 0. So, I'm getting, the adder is doing its job. The adder's not the problem. This home skillet right here doesn't want to participate. Don't want to participate. Don't want to participate. Yeah. This is my hanging point. He talks about an 8-bit. Talks about connect a D flip-flop 8-bit register with this RAM to hold what comes out of it. Okay. So, if we do this, right? This should be 8-bit, I believe. And then we should have output 8-bit. Right? Okay, everybody's happy now. So if I turn this on, it needs a clock pulse. Okay. Should it not be sending out the 1? Should it not be sending out the 1? Am I just fucked? Are we fucked, chat? Are we fucked? So it outputs whatever. I'm going to reopen the program. I'm going to reopen the program. Let's go to open recent. Okay. So send it a 0, we're getting a 1. Great. On. Okay, everybody's on. Oh, and D-right. Turn D-right on. So if we run a clock pulse, That's where we're at. That's the problem. The register, these D fucking registers aren't doing what I need them to do. As you can see, it's just outputting back 0. Now, we come back in here. It says 4 and 8. Immediate register is 8. PC's 4. This is 05. This is FF. This is 07. This is 08. We run a clock pulse. We go back to 0. No matter what we do, we're not changing, our register's not moving. So at that point we're kind of just shit out of luck, because this is doing its job. It's taking in a 0 and giving us a 1. That 1 is going up to this mux, right? It's outputting a 1. Great. That 1 should be going into this register and giving us out a 2, or at least giving us a 1. It's not. Otherwise, we're just not gonna move. We're just stuck in limbo, not moving anything. So like this works just fine. If we do 05 FF 0708, right? I give it that address and I clock pulse. It's going to put it in register 0. Now I do this, clock pulse, it puts that in register 2 or register 1. Clock pulse, puts it in 3, puts it in 2. So this works. I know this works. Issue becomes we're not getting this address, memory address is not changing because we're not changing it. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything, right? It all comes up here. D-bus, S-bus, D-bus, S-bus. Oh, I fucked up. That's what it is. Oh, my clock's on the wrong spot. Oh, why does nobody ever give me... Okay, that's alright. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Cheers. Salute. Percentage per drink. Thank y'all for being here. I'm going to try and knock this shit out. We'll get some programming and fucking... I got my clock pulse in the wrong spot. Okay. I got this. It's all good. We got this. 05. We're giving it 05... FF0708. Okay. Here's what we got. My clock's going in the wrong spot. So let's delete this. Well, we'll leave it for now, just to prove the point. But I got clock going here to 0, like a dumbass. It needs to be going here. Now it's going to fucking work. And that's why both of them are like that. That's why they're both not working. I got my clock in the wrong spot. Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're fucking cooking with grease. Pulse. 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 Ain't that a motherfucker, huh? Ain't that about a bitch? Reset simulation. Okay, let's remove this, remove that, remove this, remove that, and remove this and that. Okay, that was the problem. Figured it out. Go figure. It's late. I'm exhausted as usual. As usual, I'm going to use excuses. Okay, I'm going to use excuses. So we need to put in register 2 the number 5 and in register 3 the number 7. So we're going to come back in here and we're going to enter in our data. Excuse me. 05 FF 07 and 08. Okay. So for my first clock pulse, I want my first clock pulse, I want 5 to go into register 2. So I need to come here and select register 2 right here. Now, if we look at the S bus has 7. So we can do that. And 7 doesn't have anything in it. Register doesn't have anything in it right now, so we should be good. Anyway, move forward. Okay, so now if we clock pulse, (101) goes in R2. That big ass number goes in R2. Okay, we're ticking time bombs here. All right. 4 and 8. Let's reset our simulation. Okay. 05 FF 07 08 on load on. Okay. Now, see, as what it could be different than what shown below. The result addition is 10. Okay, we want to do addition. I want to put 5. I want to put 5 in register 2. And I want S bus to be register 7. It doesn't matter. That actually doesn't matter. What matters is that I get in register 2, I get 5. So when I clock pulse, now this is 1. Make that 0. Clock pulse, clock pulse. So now register 0 has 101. That's what I wanted. That's what I told it to do. Or did I? We're going to reset the simulation once again. Okay. 05 FF 07 08. Okay. Here we go. Turn everything on again. I want 5 to go into register 2, which is this command right here. dereg select 10. For shits and giggles, I'll do this. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to clock pulse until 101 is in register 2. Okay. Full stop. Register 2 now has 5. I want register 3 to now have 7. So I'm going to turn this on to 7. Okay. Clock pulse, clock pulse, clock pulse, clock pulse. Stop. Full stop. That's it. We're done here. We're done here. This is it. So now I've got ALU operation 10 Let's go ahead, open image in a new window. Open. Okay. So, if we look at what I have, 100 is our address bus. Notice we're right here on 4. These are all on. And S bus is 111. D bus is 111. This is PC4. This is 8. Okay. Look up here. We got 0 and 1. 0 in R0, 0 in R1. We have 5 in R2 and 7 in R3. If you look right here, that's what they also have here. ALU operation 10 means addition. So this is 5 plus 7, which gives us 12. It is working. We are done. So now, what do we upload? Upload a PNG. Okay, so we need a PNG. All right, I can do that. I can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna save this as what? PNG test F. Okay, I'm going to lab 15. We're going to call it test F program.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells.
Program counter. Sorry about that jump scare. Okay, test F program counter. There we go. Save. So now I come to upload. Lab 15. I'm going to upload these two. Oh. I can't. It's closed. I can't submit it. Okay, fine. We did all that for nothing. All right. Anyway, great. I'm glad that I did all that for nothing. Now we've got this, which is actual coding. This is lab 11 loops. So new folder, lab 11 loops. Okay. And we're going to save it in there. And then we're going to open it. All right. We're going to close that. 12 HTML files, all them outside the zip. Yep. Okay. All right. Coding time. That's where I make my money. We're going to save this. We're going to close it. NetBeans. Let's load NetBeans. All right. Hopefully we can blow through this. Okay. New project. File, new project. Next. I'm gonna browse. You guys don't get to see my desktop. You're welcome. Okay, 1220 Java projects. All right. Lab 11 loops. Okay. And we're going to call it lab 11 loops. I got all these I can probably close. All this stuff. Okay. This first one is going to be called what? Create Project Lab 11. Okay, problem 1 is called 4-1. Call that 4-1. Okay, PSVM. Minimize this so I don't get distracted. Alright, 4-1. For class 1, write the code as following. So we're going to do 4 int I equals 0, semicolon I less than 10, semicolon plus plus I. Man, I just want a code, okay? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn off Stream Deck so that shit stops happening. It's just distracting and annoying, and it's not really Stream Deck's fault. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Cheers, salute. Here's some Subject Pros drink. Okay. Okay, Sout. Are you giving me shit right now? Fine, I'll put fucking brackets.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells.
Yeah. This is ridiculous, dude. I can't code with this shit on. I'm gonna have to leave my hotkeys off. Go figure. Alright, I'm turning them all off, okay? Turning them off so I can fucking code in peace. Alright. Anyway, as I was, Sout I. And we're going to clean and build. Oh yeah, I forgot to change this. Alright, run. We don't have stupid issues like this. It should be easy. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it works. Alright, great. Create a class 4.2 ret code that prints the square roots not rounded of numbers 10 to 19. Okay. So now we need a new class. I call it 4.2. That's not what I wanted to do. New Java class 4.2.
You sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about that. Shut up, bitch. God bless America. Okay, PSVM. Okay, int. No, we're gonna double squared root equals 0.0. Okay, and now int I. 4 int I equals 0. No, we're gonna start at 10. Okay, prints the square root not rounded of numbers 10 to 19. It's 10. I is less than 20. Plus plus I. Okay, Sout. The square root of.
You gotta give him that hawk too and spit up.
Shut up, bitch. Square root of blank. I'm gonna have to turn off. I'm gonna have to turn off that too, motherfucker. That's why we can't have nice things. I only need to turn it. I say I only need to turn it off the hotkeys on this scene. So I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna do that. I only need it off on this scene. Hawk. Okay, we don't want it on live scene. Okay, now we'll put in Shadow Wizard Money Gang, and on Big Me, we're gonna leave it. It was what? Shift that, right? Okay, let's click apply and see. That we should be good now. Okay, Sout plus I plus is equal to plus and then math dot square root okay, we should be good. That should work. Clean and build and then run it. Shift F6. Okay. Math dot square root. Did I not do that right? What the fuck's the function for square root? That's gotta be it. Oh. Square root equals double. We're going to typecast double to I. There we go. Now it works. We're good. We got it. Logical error. There we go. Done. Easy peasy. Alright. Next. Class while one. Okay. New class. While one. PSVM. Right. Create a class, write the code. Prints the number 0 to 9. Observe how variable I is incremented every time through the loop just before the end of the body of the loop. Okay. Int I equals 0 while I is less than 10. Sout I plus I. Okay, clean and build. Run. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 9. Okay. Create a class while 2. New class, baby. New class. While 2. Okay. PSVM. Okay. Write the code as shown that prints the number 0 to 9. Understand how variable I has to be post incremented inside the print line statement every time through the loop. Problems 3 and 4 are equivalent. Okay. Int I equals 0 while I is less than 10. Sout print line I plus plus. Because the plus plus is after the I, it's gonna print out I and then do the plus plus, which basically means add 1 to it. Okay, clean and build. Gotta know where your increments are. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9. Alright. Another one bites the dust. Refill my vape real quick. Man, oh man, what a fucking day, boys and girls. Holy shit. It has been a fucking day. Multiple states, multiple flights, programming issues, because I'm a dumbass. And I'm tired. I'm making stupid mistakes. It's one thing that I've noticed about myself is I do a lot of stupid shit when I'm tired. I'm sure it's probably a lot for the same thing for a lot of people, to be honest. But you know, hey, you gotta know what you gotta know when to hold them and know when to fold them, as they say, right? I'm cleaning my vape off real quick because it, when it was in the bag on the plane, it was lopsided, and so a lot of the juice went everywhere. Trying to clean it up, make a little nicer experience. A little better breathing in my lungs of all that delicious vapor. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs. Okay, that's done. While 2 is done. So now we need a new class, and we're going to call it While 3. Alright, first thing, PSVM. Okay. Write code to print 11 numbers from 10 down to 0. So we're going to include 10. Okay, so we're going to do int I equals 11. And then we're going to do while I is greater than -1. Kind of doing this bass backwards, but it's okay. Sout the excuse me, variable I is, and we're going to do minus I plus minus I. So that way it will increment it first and then print it. Okay, clean and build. Run that. Run that. Run it, baby. Run it. So we did too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So we just need to change this to 0. Because it'll get changed to 0 and then outputted. Now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, all the way to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's done. While 3 is done. So now we got to do while. New Java class. Do while 1. PSVM. Okay. Int I equals 0. Do hast mesh. Du hast mich gefragt. Okay, I plus plus. While I is less than 10. Okay, clean and build. Run that. Drink, cheers, salute, give us such a prost. Alright, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Do while 2. Write code to print 100 numbers from 1 to 100, 10 per line, where each number is separated by a comma. No comma is needed at each line. Use the backspace character, escape character, to eliminate the last comma in each line. Backspace escape character. What the fuck is that? Alright, this one's getting a little harder. We're getting a little tricky dicky here. Do while 2. Okay. PSVM. Int I equals 0. Now, do while I is less than 101. And while we're doing that, we're gonna we're gonna create another counter. Shut up. Int I equals 0. Int j line count equals 0. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is sout ++I, and then we're going to add a comma and a space. Now, we only want to do this if line count modulus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're gonna, okay, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna modulus 10. So if line count modulus 10 does not equal 0, we're going to sout
I've spent a lot of time, Joe.
okay, we're just going to sout it. If it does equal 10, else we're going to sout I and new line.
You sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. Okay. This should work. It'll be close. We'll see. Let's run it. Okay. So we got all the numbers, and we counted 101. So now we need to put 100 instead of 101. Okay. Sout ++I. We didn't change line count. Line count ++. Okay, ++ line count. Else ++. Actually, if we're doing it no matter what, then we can include it in the do while at the bottom. ++ line count. Let's run that. It should probably still look the same, but we'll see. Okay, we're getting our next line though. The question is, how do we get them on the same line? How do we get it on the same line? Almost like we should be doing our loop this way. Do.
I've spent a lot of
Okay, format. Okay. While line count modulus 10 is not equal to 0. don't know how to print on the same line. I printed an extra run here. Okay. What if we do this? Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run. We gotta figure it out. Okay, here we go. Now we're cooking. Okay. So let's do 9. Why am I fighting this? Okay, that's 9. And we need to plus line count. Okay. When line count does modulus 10, do I plus and next line. I'm gonna get rid of this second do while loop. Let's run that. Okay, we're there. We're there. We're there. We're cooking. Alright, let's do line count plus. And we'll put that in here also. Let's try this. Okay, we had a goof here, but our logic's off. We wanna do we even need a mod? You know what? Maybe we don't even need line count. Let's get rid of line count. If we just modulus the actual number. So if I modulus 10. Yeah, I fucked it up. Okay. We're getting there. Line count modulus 10. Okay. Plus I plus
Sure about that? You sure?
I'm pretty sure. All right. We're getting somewhere, boys and girls. We're getting somewhere. Okay. We stopped at 100 though. That's good. That's good. We're making progress. Cheers. Salute. Give us a drink. Run it. That looks good. But then our last, when we get here, we get all fugazi. Let's comment all this out and see what it does. It should not print the 10s. It does. Okay. That's what we want. So we're not getting to that last row. Well, let's do it the cheap way and do it like this. Still not cooking. Yeah, I was overthinking it. I was at an if loop for no reason. Okay, whatever. Fuck it. Let's run it. This is it. Cheers, salute, give us a pros drink. Okay, that's what we need. And that's what we need. So we don't need any of this shit. All this crap. All right, run it again, make sure we're good, and then we'll move on. 1 to 10, 10, 11 to 20, 21, 30, 31, okay, perfect. All right, done. While event number 1. While event 1. PSVM. Okay, create a class while event 1. Write code is shown below that asks users to enter a number or -1 to quit the program. When out of the loop, the sum of all numbers entered is printed. Read and understand the comments about the condition and task of the loop. It is important for you to know how you design a while loop by answering every time you design the loop these 6 questions. What is the condition? How is the condition initialized? How the condition is updated? What is the task being repeated? How is the task initialized before entering the loop? How is the task updated every time through the loop? Okay. We're going to need to import java.util.scanner. And now we're going to shout, please enter a positive number to add it to sum, or -1 to quit. Scanner scan equals new scanner system system.in int num equals scan.nextInt to condition initialize the condition of the loop. Int sum equals 0. 1 task initialize the task while num is not equal to -1. Number 1 condition. What is the condition? I'll do a while loop. Sum plus equals num. 2 task of the loop and its update. Sout. The same thing. Instead of retyping it, we're going to copy paste on the quit. And then num equals scan next int 3 condition update the condition of the loop. Okay, and then when we're done with that, sout total sum. Okay, let's clean and build. Run that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Is this you talking or the liquor?
Randy. I am the liquor.
Cheers to Luke and such a Prost. Alright, it's working. Great. Wonderful. Next, create a class called do while event number 2. Do while event 2. Which behaves identically as while event 1. Use a do while loop. Okay. So we'll come here and we'll copy pasta all of this. Do while event 2. Okay. So now instead of a while, we're going to do while. Okay. Sum plus equals num. That's after our first one, right? Do while num does not equal to -1. I mean, it should run the same, but let's clean and build and see. Maybe it has an extra. Actually, basically we can stick this in here at the top. I think what we can do, because it's a do while loop, is guaranteed to at least go through once, so we don't need to have it on the outside. Basically we can do this. Okay, let's do this. Int num equals 0. Oh, we do need to create our scanner though. Okay, we created our scanner. Now we're good. So this should run. It'll be fine. We just took because do while loops are guaranteed to run at least once. We don't need that initial question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Total 17. Okay. There we go. If we had had this, it would have done it extra time. So now, because of the do while loop, we're gonna create everything out here like normal, and then we're gonna ask the question if it's num. If we immediately do num equals 1 minus 1, then it'll just output minus 1. Yeah. Okay. Now, since we're adding, let's. I think we are fucking up a little bit here. So let's do simple math, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, right? So if we do 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then in minus 1, it gives us 6. If we do it on this one, it's going to subtract 1, which we don't want. So we'll do the same thing. 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then minus 1. It's going to give us 5. So what we need to do is output sum plus 1, or plus plus sum. And now we'll get the right answer, because the minus 1 gets added into sum. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then minus 1 gives us 6. Okay, so now we negate that minus 1 that was happening. It was getting added into our sum. See, I got a big brain. I can do stuff like this. All right, do while event 1. Are we going backwards? What are we doing? Do while event 1. Okay. Do while event 1. Okay. PSVM. Create a class called do while event 1. Write a code as shown below that asks user to enter a positive number or minus 1. Create the program. Replace the conditional statement of line 15 with a simple if. Do not replace it with if else, as the else of the if else is sum equals sum. Not an error to use else, but it's extraneous. Okay. So write a class. Write the code as below that asks user for positive number. The program. Replace the conditional of line 15 with a simple if. Do not replace with an if else. Okay. Let's go ahead and import java.util scanner. Okay. Now, scanner scan equals new scanner system dot in, int num equals 0, int sum equals 0. Do host mesh. Num is not equal to -1. In this do loop, sout. Please enter a positive number to add it to sum, or minus 1 to quit. Okay. Num equals scan dot next int. 3 condition. Update the condition of the loop. So now, instead of doing sum equals num conditional, we're going to say if num does not equal -1, then we want you to sum plus equals num. And then at the end, shut up, Connor. Sout total plus sum. Okay. This should work. Clean and build. compilation error. What we got? Oh. I had the wrong thing. I didn't have an equal sign. Uh-oh. Positive number. 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Sum equals 6. Okay. So if it's minus 1, we add it. If we don't if it is minus 1, we don't. Isn't minus 1, we add it in. Simple, simple, simple. Okay. Next, problem 11. While event 3. Okay, create a class while event 3 writes code that asks the user to enter a positive or negative number or X to quit the program. When out of the loop, the sum of all numbers entered is printed. Read the user's input as string as not as integer. Okay, so we're getting a little complicated here. Import java.util.scanner. Okay, psvm. Okay, scanner user input equals new scanner system.in. Okay, string number input equals 0, 0. Okay, sout. Actually, no. We're going to do this. Do. Or actually, while. Yeah, that's right. That's what we're going to do. Sout. Please enter a number, positive or negative, to be added up, type X or type X or X to exit. No, we can't do that. Type X or X to exit. Okay. Now, number input equals user input dot next. So while number input does not equal char or does not equal number dot char at 0 does not equal X and number input dot char at 0 does not equal X. We need to create a sum, don't we? Sum 0. Okay. Sum plus equals number input dot to I don't remember how do we turn that into a number. Let's Google it. I'm going to Google it. Drink, salute, give us our first cheers. Alright. How to take string input and make a number. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's string. I know we did this already, but I don't fucking remember. Index of data lowercase. Value of. To get int from string. No. Parse int. Parse int. Okay. So instead of 2, we need parse. Number input dot. Parse int. Out some. Okay, cannot find symbol. So instead of parse int, we can do value of. Okay, value of. Let's check out value of. Okay, so number equals integer dot parse int and then the string. Okay, so plus equals sum dot the sum equals value of number input. The sum. Oh, I'm sorry. Integer dot this parse. All right. All right, it compiled, so that's a good sign. Now, 12. Holy shit, what's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. Went crazy there. We lost our fucking minds. It's not happening. Not happy. Brian, how about what's up, brother? How's it going? Good to see you. How's the flight? Flights were good, man. Yeah, it's been a long day. Well, number input. Let's just do this. Been a long day, brother. Long day, but we're here. We're alive. I'm hungry, actually. Surprisingly, I had some chicken, some PDQ chicken tenders, and I thought it was gonna fill me up, but didn't really do so. So I'm trying to knock out this fucking homework I've got. Yeah. Something's fucked here, boys and girls. Okay. While number input does not equal X, and the number input does not equal X. And then we're going to ask again. Okay. Sout sum of all numbers, dude, is the sum. Alright. Try this out. Try to get this shit done. I'm late, but there we go. For input string X, we errored out. We errored out, bud. Hey, we got us a fucking spammer on Twitch. Look at that. Look at that. We got us a piece of shit. No good piece of shit. Spam. Spammer. Selling viewers. New account. And, you know, it's got to work for them because they keep fucking doing it, right? They haven't stopped yet. Okay, why did we error out? Yeah, well, no is not equal -1. Right, we did that. Let's see if this will work. Basically, I want to check. Compare to. That's what we need. No, that's not right either. Well, fuck. What if we do a big knot?
I've spent a lot of time, Joe. Slaying everybody.
what does compare to do? Java compared to. Okay, so they need to be equal to 0. That's what it is. Okay. So compare to returns a 0 if they're equal. Alright. So while here we go, does not equal 0 and does not equal 0. Okay, so while they didn't put in X and they didn't put in X, we're gonna do this loop. I think this will work. I think we got it now, Katinka. I think we're cooking. I think we're cooking now. It's cooking time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. X. There we go. Now we cooking, baby. We're cooking. We're cooking. Fucking cooking. Okay, so that's done. That was the issue. I don't know what the function is. Logically, I know what I want to do. I can't express it in Java properly. Okay, this is done. Now, our last one is going to be the same thing. We're going to call it do while event 3. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing as this one, except it's going to be a do while loop. Okay, and now we come here and we copy pasta all this. Okay, so a do while loop. So that means we're gonna bring this inside of the loop. We're gonna bring it inside the loop because with a do while loop will always run at least once. Do hast mesh. So now it will for sure do this, which means we bring this inside of here. Okay. So now and we get rid of this one. Okay, so we initialize everything, then we start the loop. Ask them to add a number in, add it in if it's that. Hold on. Hold up. Okay, logically, I think it's we're not right here, because we're gonna start the loop. We're gonna ask them for the question. They're gonna put a number in. If they put in X immediately, if they put in X, it's not gonna stop till it gets here. So we need to have a check here if the same condition.
I've spent a lot of time, Joe.
Okay. We have to have a check in there because if they put in an X right away, we don't want it to add to the thing. So let's clean and build, and this should be the last one. Cheers to Luke and Sunshine Pro's drink. We'll be getting to Resident Evil soon. Thank you all for hanging out. I gotta get this shit done. Unfortunately, been a long day. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. X 1479. Let's run it again. 1, 2, 3, X. Run it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, capital X. Okay, so that's working. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. X. Okay. All right, we're cooked. We've cooked. We've cleaned. It's time to export all of this. So the first thing we're going to do is print to HTML, which requires me to save the name. Okay. I do this for your safety, okay? I hide my desktop for a reason. Dangerous place. Dangerous place to be. Okay, I'm going to navigate to where I want everything to be at, which is Lab 11 loops. And then once I'm in there, I copy and paste back the name, then click OK. So now that's this one. So now we'll come here, File, Print to HTML, and now it's all good to go. Click OK. And we're going to do that for all of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Got fucking eye bugs. Excuse me. All right. 7. 8. 9. 9. 10, 11, and 12. Okay, and now we're going to export the project to zip. Now, same thing for your safety. I got to copy the name of the file and then navigate to the folder and paste the name of the file in, because NetBeans is kind of stupid when it comes to handling that. All right. And the folder I want, Lab 11 loops. A little squeak there, goddamn. Save, export. Okay. So now you can see we've got a zip folder. So if I pull up on your block, bro, 1220, Java projects 11, you can see we've got all the HTML here and we have a zip file. Okay, close that, and now we can upload. 1220 Java projects, Lab 11 loops. We're going to select all of that, open, and submit. Done. All right. If he shows mercy, he will allow me to keep my points. If not, hey, we'll get half the credit. At least we get it. All right. I'm going to go piss, and then we will get everything started, my friends. We'll get started. I might try and shove some food in my mouth, but we'll see. All right. Be right back. We're here, baby. We're here. Let's get spooky. I showed it earlier, Brian. I grabbed my Doom 2016 collectible.
Is this you talking or the liquor?
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells.
I don't know why it still does that. Alright. This is loose. Why is this loose? I don't know why my mic's loose. Everything's loose. There's my pumpkin. There's my spooky pumpkin. You're welcome. Let's try and make my Shadow Wizard Money Gang and look. Okay, turn those off. Okay, let's fix our hotkeys real quick. Hotkeys. We'll put them back on. Hawk. That's still good. I think we should be all right. And now we need shadow. Shift brackets. You know, I picked those because I'm like, oh, I don't use those. Well, guess what? I do use those. Okay. Let's get webcam capture and we'll go to filters. And let's see if we can make this spooky. 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 Okay. I just gotta sit up like a grown ass man. Okay. Select color. Ooh, spooky. Spooky. That's gonna be about as good as it's gonna get for now. I don't have any light coming from this side, so it's all shadow. There's a little bit of, that was a little bit of light. Let's see if that helps. Okay, that's not bad. We'll do it like that. Fuck it. We'll run it. That's better. I'm trying to get I have a light right here that changes color. I'm trying to we got a spooky pumpkin. Yeah, we got a spooky pumpkin, buddy. Spooky pumpkin. Let's try this. Shit's gonna fall if it wants to fall. Okay, spooky pumpkin. Let me try playing with my colors here. Maybe my colors are the problem. Let's go. Now I'm doing red. It's going red to blue to purple. The box is so popular, like 100 of them at GameStop. Yeah, I mean, this was one of my birthday gifts. It was Tomoe Shigaraki, which is from My Hero, and he's a fantastic, one of my favorite villains I think I've ever seen in a show. So I have a thing glowing in here, but you can't see it because this thing isn't see-through enough. I have another pumpkin I'm going to try to see if it's any better. Okay, I'm going to just stick to one color instead of it changing colors for now. We're going to go red. I need a better light, basically. All right. That's better, but now it's flashing between blue. It's going to blue. There we go. Red. Okay. With the new red, we should be able to get our color chroma key right. That's not what I wanted to do. Spooky pumpkins. Yeah, let's do a custom color. That's better. That should give us a pretty good... Should give us a pretty good color spectrum there. Okay. All right. That's good enough. We'll leave it like that. Okay. So this is me full screen.
We love casting spells.
Is this you talking or?
Is this you? Is this me? Alright, that's the one I want, but I need to put it higher up. And put it higher up in the priority list. Alright. There we go.
Is this you talking or the liquor? Randy.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Time for some spooky spookiness. I am going to grab my controller. And I'm then going to... My plan is to get some more spooky stuff so we can get spooky in here. Now that being said, I've got the green screen. I want to try and do something like I'm in a haunted house or something. I don't know. I might leave it zoomed out. We'll see what happens. But I need to make sure that my PlayStation's working. And I need to make sure I'm on the intranets. Okay, PlayStation's turning on. Don't mind me, alright? Cheers, salute, give us such a prost, drink. Don't mind the big knot on my forehead either. Alright. Alright, controller's fully charged. I'm not going to stay up super late tonight because I've got class at 10 and I could use some fucking rest. So I want to get like an hour in if we can. Making sure I'm connected to the network real quick. And we're spooked out, baby. Spooky. Okay. So now I need to move my Ava Media down here. Alright, now you should be able to hear it. I can't see on my screen though, that's the problem. So I need to... Yeah, okay. When I was doing this, it was fibbage, so it didn't matter that I couldn't see the screen. I didn't set up this properly. Okay. Alright. Let me go get this set up properly. I got another HDMI cable. Alright, I'm getting the cable club plugged in here. Take me a second. Please bear with me. I was not ready for this. Like I said, it didn't matter when we were doing fibbage because I could just look at the screen. Or look at my phone. But now it matters. Okay, I already do have a wire RAN. I thought I did. I thought I had another HDMI RAN to my monitor. Now the question is, where is it at? That, my friends, might be the $90 question. It's right here, dum-dum. Right where you fucking left it. Stupid shit. Oh, sometimes, boy. Ooh-wee! How do I even survive? Alright, I already had the wire RAN because I'm a fucking genius. And I'm an idiot because I forgot that I had the fucking wire RAN already. Alright, Resident Evil. Spooktober, day 14. Let's go. All right. HDMI in, HDMI in. It says no signal. That's not good. Why is there no signal? There we go. Okay. Now we got signal. Should be able to see it on my screen now. There we go. Okay. We're cooking, baby. We're cooking. Alright. You guys can still hear, I believe. I'm going to turn off or turn down our music, and we're gonna play some fucking Resident Evil, baby. All right. Oh, it's spooky. Let me move this to up here, I guess. All right. Resident Evil. It's pretty choppy, I'm gonna be honest. It's not the best. Not the best. Display sound screen. I walked right by it. Okay. Display area settings. That's perfect. Video output settings. See if I break it. Okay. It's working, but my monitor switched off of it. There we go. Okay. It's doing 4K 60 hertz. I don't want 4K. I want 1080p. Give me 1080p. I'll be happy with 1080p. I don't need 4K. Because this can't even do 4K. This can only do 2K. So that's part of the problem. It's outputting at 4K. It doesn't do 2K. There we go. Okay. Alright. Alright. We're good. We're alive. We're ready. Let's go. Resident Evil. Resident Evil a bitch. Resident Evil a bitch. Oh, I need to bring this back over here. Don't move, Pumpkin. You can't leave. Cheers, salute, massage pros.
Is this you talking or the liquor?
Randy, I am the liquor.
I am the liquor, baby. Okay. So, what did we do last night? We got a shotgun. We got this, which we tried and it didn't work. We also tried this. The emblem, that didn't work. We also need to put this up. We tried the dog whistle, that didn't work. So we basically we loaded the save before we tried all the things that I thought might work, and they didn't work. So I basically just don't need to go that route, right? So if we look here, there's a door this way. Correct. Okay. And I don't know how to get through that door. It's locked. Yeah, armor. Okay. So we're pretty much stuck where we need to get the we got to get the spinning sword puzzle figured out. That's pretty much where we're at. Now, I don't think I can just blast my way through it. Right. So the question then becomes, how do we stop them from killing me? Now you would think it's something similar to it's similar to the shotgun puzzle, right? Where we took another shotgun and put it in the place. That's why it would feel like that's, you know, that's what we would do. However, death is only the beginning. I don't think we can, like, shoot this guy. Death is the true essence of bliss. This is raised up. And we can go this way, but there's no way through. We need a helmet logo. See, now I kind of feel I was tricked into doing all these stupid ass puzzles as a kid. Now I know better. You have to do it. Death is everything. And as soon as you grab this, everything starts to move in. So you really don't have any recourse. Right? This all closes in and that's just it. You're shit out of luck. Unless there's some way to beat it, but there's nowhere to go. Right? So we put that back and the puzzle resumes. Right? I feel like they give you more bullets and zombies to shoot with less puzzles again, be way funner. I agree. And I think that this was the first one, right? So they've worked on Alright, boys and girls. Did I just so hear me out. That guy has to go all the way back over here, right? Is there a way to get behind him? I'm trying to think. Because he's got to run all the way back. And this guy... Can I get behind him? You know what I mean? I don't think there is. So, like, if he comes right here and I stop him and he starts to go back, can I make it around him and then beat him this way to the track? That's the only thing I could think of. Let's try it. Okay. Oh, it does damage to me. You see what I'm saying? You see how he goes back like that? There's got to be a way to stop him. Anyway, I just took a bunch of damage. It says I'm fine though. Okay. I was gonna restart if you know, I had a serious amount of damage. I don't want to have to Google it. I really don't. I'm just trying to think logistically. Because then he retracts back. But there's no way to pull that key without being right here that I'm aware of. Right? So for now we'll move on, but if you died here, yeah, I died one time just to see what happens. I died one time just to see what happened. I mean, I knew what was coming, so I stopped. Every time I've stopped it, one time I died was because I let it happen. Spooktober. Okay. We got rooms we still can't get into. Not that way. We're going this way. Wish I could grab one of these. That'd be super useful. Shame I can't grab any of those, huh? That door's locked. We gotta go this way. So either there's something behind the statues that I need to get to and I have to figure out a way to get behind them, or we're gonna have to stop them from like prying us open, or stop it by prying it open. Something that would hold it together, but I haven't really been given anything that would lean to that. I also don't want to stop having fun because I resist the urge to, you know, look up the information, right? I'm not going to let this thing hold me up. It's outside. Cheers, salute, percentage pros drink. I will say this game looks way better from a distance. The TV that I was playing on previously, it looks way better far away. You can really see those pixels. Locked from the other side. Well, how do I get there? Let's run back in. That outdoor garden has been a bit of a puzzle this whole time. I've been wondering, but it says it's locked from the other side, so then we should just be able to come in from the other side, right? So if we look, that's first floor. How am I supposed to get there? This room, maybe? Maybe this 2F, this room that's double doored. Let's keep going this way. This is locked. Armor. And this is a save room, I believe. Jupiter. Oh, I didn't come over here yet. Oh, yes, I will. That's been sitting here. Oh, that's what was I was waiting at. That was ammo in there, you stupid shit. Alright. I was wondering why that room was still red. And that's why. That's why, because, well, I left something in there. There was something in there. I didn't grab it. Okay, this is our favorite hallway. All things are pointing to that key that I need to get from the spinning statues. So, if I'm stuck and there's nothing else left to do but get that, and I can't figure it out, then I'll fucking Google it. I don't want to, but I will. And there's the, we use that to make the map, right? Helmet. Alright, so there's basically healing in there. We're kind of all locked out from this side of the house. So let's go back downstairs and double check. We're just gonna have to Google it. That's what's just gonna fucking happen. Because I'm not dicking around this mansion for another fucking hour with no results. Alright, this room says that there's stuff in here. Is it a can? Oh, it's the kerosene. Okay. Oh, there's ammo right there too. Oh shit. Is that why it was? Yeah, okay. So there was another magazine there I left. So that's the only problem with being far away. I can't see shit. Okay. I don't know if I need the knife in right now. Probably get rid of the knife to save space, but it's his favorite weapon. How could I take that from him? You know, he loves his knife. Okay, we got everything out there. We need to figure out this back room here. Doorknob's ready to fall apart. Yeah, fuck it, we'll go through it. Fuck that door. Fuck that door. Alright, we already went through all this. You can see it's all 100% items. That's the long hallway, the door, the dogs. Spencer family emblem is carved into the doorknob. Spencer family emblem. don't have anything that looks like an emblem. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have anything. We've gotten everything from out here. There's something written on the invitation. The defiler of the accursed coffin. Yeah, that's not the same shape as our toenail, so I don't think that's it either. Alright. Well, I'm gonna be honest. I think we've kind of cleared out everything that we can without the key. We need the key. So, let's Google it. And I will drink. Resident Evil Puzzle Knights Key Trap. You need a imitation key, and I've discarded a key already. I can't read it. Okay. In the remake, the key unlocks these. Okay. Pedestal in a room guarded by a trap. If one of them pulls the key from the trap, okay. Imitation of a key. Regardless was found. Imitation of a key. Imitation of a key is item. I have to correctly examine the coin. The what? So it appears after I examine the coin. What the fuck's the coin? Taking apart the collar. So the coin is no fixed location. Instead, it appears in the player's inventory. I've taken apart the collar obtained on the West Terrace. The fuck is the collar? Oh, I bet you one of the dogs had it. Oh, I gotta go do the front terrace. Okay, okay. I think that's the one place we didn't do yet. Okay, that makes sense. Brian, if you drank like 5 more times, you could probably just look up the whole damn mansion. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay, so the dogs in the front, I think we need to go there. Either the dogs are dead because we killed them in the hallway, or they're not dead, we gotta kill them. But we need to go out that way. And I didn't do that last night. We didn't do it now. But that's where we need to go, because I bet you that's where we're going to get the collar we need to get the coin. To get the coin, we get the imitation key. Imitation key goes to thing. So I knew there was some kind of fake key. I just didn't know how to get it. Cheers. Salute. Keep Sanjay Pros drink. That was a big look up. Okay. We are here. We're going to run our way all the way back to the front. I don't want to go in here. I don't want to go in here. Fuck. Or do I? I do. I just want to run around. I bet you we're gonna need we might need the dog whistle. We We might need the dog whistle. Might need the dog whistle. We might not though. We'll see. If we need the dog whistle, we'll go get it. But hopefully we don't need it. We just go kill the dogs. Which, speaking of, let's equip this. Blast some fucking dogs. I can't get too fucked up, John. I got class in the morning. I gotta go to my sister's after. Right, just come out here. And then we're gonna go to the main door. The door that I mocked him for allowing dogs to come in. Alright. Yep, there we go. It's too dangerous to open the door. Wow. So it said something about the West Terrace. I guess that's out here. I tried to use the chemical out there. Maybe we need to use the whistle out there. So let's go do that. Also, I'll go ahead and save. When we go get the whistle, we'll save. Wasted a shotgun blast. I should have saved that shotgun blast. I probably could just pull the old save, but you know how I like to mess with Brian or with John Legend about saving ammo. So go this way. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going. I'm a professional. Okay, I'm a professional Resident Evil player now. The fucking crows. See, that looked like he was running up the stairs a little faster there. That looked like he was running up the stairs faster. I'm just saying. There's inconsistencies. Alright, which door is it? Take a right. First door. Right here, right? Yep. Too dangerous to go outside. Alright, let's go down here. Boy, I look fucking cool. Alright, let's open this. We're going to grab the dog whistle. And then we'll save. Ink ribbon, dog whistle. Alright, save. And now we will drop off the ink. How's my health? Health is fine. Okay. I feel like the dog whistle, we go to that weird weeds we've never seen before thing that it said. And we use that to dog whistle there, I'm guessing. That's my guess. If not, I'll look it up and take another drink. Okay. We need to come around the stairs and go right there. Alright. Spooky stairs. Spooky doors. I'm gonna plan on getting a new Alright, blew the dog whistle. Let's go. God damn, I was trying to shoot him. I'm fucked. Okay. Wasted around. Got me. Okay. Well, we know what to do now. That's good. Cheers to Luke Central Pro's drink. I died. I'm going to blow the whistle as far away from where the dog comes in as I can so I can blast his ass. Because once he starts fucking with me, he's so fast, I can't fucking keep up. So, hey, we died. It's all good. We learned a lesson. The lesson is dogs are faster than you. You know, they're just faster. They're superior. All right, drop off this, and we're gonna drop off this, and we'll take a mixed herb. Just in case. Feeling frisky. In case I'm feeling frisky. Feeling frisky. Or I blow the whistle like down the walkway, which hopefully pulls him, and then I get in that corner and blast him. Okay. Alright, cool. Missed. Bro, what the fuck was that aiming? Don't need the dog whistle anymore. Discard it. Let's go. Fuck them dogs. Drink, salute, give Sun Approach. Cheers. Fuck them dogs. Alright. Yes, press the switch. Now, how was I supposed to know to use a dog whistle out there? That's my point. Uh-huh. Change the shape of a key. Alright. Now, I need some health. Where do we have green herbs at? One of those hallways, don't we? Is it? It's one of the like we run by it. Is it this one? I can't remember where that green herb's at. It's not this. No. But it's there. Oh shit. God damn it. How did he fucking respawn? the fuck is this game? This motherfucker, bro. That's bullshit if I've ever seen bullshit right there. Fuck that guy. I'm calling bullshit on that. That's bullshit. He was dead. He was fucking dead. But the reason he jumps up is because now I have the key, and this is the direction I'm going anyway. Drink, salute, side approach, cheers. Let's fuck this game. This game sucks. Alright. Peace and death. Yep. Take it. Pretty sure Chris is low. Probably should be able to do it. Dude. If there's anybody in this game that should be demoted, it's him. Anybody. This guy's MOS was like latrine duty. No, he's for sure admin. This guy was admin if I've ever seen admin. Helmet. Okay, so that's a helmet key. This guy's for sure admin. There's no two ands, ifs, or buts about it. Oh, they're attacking me. Oh, goodness. How am I going to survive? Alright, let's start unlocking doors. Where the fuck is his body? Son of a bitch. You gonna wake up too? Huh? You gonna wake up too? Get them big ass forearms and he did fucking shit with them. Big ass forearms, you can't do it. You can't fucking fight off a dog. You can't fight off a zombie. This fucking guy. Bruh, fuck this game. My game cut out. Oh shit. What's going on? What? What? What is going on? What is going on? Bro, what? This guy. That's what I'm saying, dude. Fuck that dude. Alright, we got another fucking spammer. Yay, great. Report. Spam. Next. Spam. Spammers. Selling viewers. New account. They're not even trying. You know, it has to work, right? Because they fucking keep doing it, but god damn. Okay. That guy didn't give me any fucking ammo, huh? That dude fucked me up 6 ways from sideways and he ain't giving no goddamn ammo? If he has a 9mm, I might be able to buy one. Yeah, let's look at it. Stars Custom fires 9mm parabolic round. Yeah. There ain't no stopping power in that bitch whatsoever. No stopping power. Alright, we're gonna use the first aid spray. You guys can't see and I don't know why. So I'm gonna try and just deactivate, reactivate. Alright, we're good. We're back up. Stick that desert. Yeah, dude. Where is this Desert Eagle? That's a great question. Why the fuck wouldn't I have a deagle? Right? Where the fuck's this dude at? Thank God. Oh, now you want to fucking shoot his head off, huh? You piece of shit. This fucking guy, bro. I didn't know zombies could open fucking doors, by the way. That's a pretty fucking big revelation that they can fucking open doors. Man, fuck you. Bro, who the fuck are you aiming at? Run, motherfucker, run! This motherfucker's a zombie for ninja zombie for sure. I'm out of bullets. This motherfucker's on my dick. Oh, you're progressing in the game? Oh, ammo check. Ammo check. Ammo check. Ammo check. I got no fucking ammo, so we're just gonna get the old fucking bougie knife out. Gotta get the old fucking chopper out. We're just gonna keep chopping. Now, how come those guys could go through doors, but the other zombies can't? Inconsistency. You see what I'm talking about? This game's inconsistent. Alright. I want to see if this door is able to be opened with the new key that we have. No, that's a helmet. Let's go around this way. Maybe there'll be more zombies that are wide awake. That were dead, by the way. They were dead. Oh my God. This game fucking sucks. We're not playing this game tomorrow, I can tell you that much. I don't care how spooky we're trying to make this fucking shit. Run, you dumb fuck. We're not playing this bitch tomorrow. I can tell you that much. You ain't gonna sit here and tell me I killed motherfucking zombies. Now they motherfucking alive? What? What? We got a new door though. Let's see if I get murdered instantly. Oh, thank God, some fucking ammo. I mean, they give me... They respawn all these fucking enemies. At least I can just give them some fucking ammo. It's Forrest from the Bravo team. There are deep wounds all over his body. What could have torn him up like this? Is he gonna fucking show up? Bro, what is happening? Oh, I'm supposed to be in control here. Oh, okay. Yeah, because that makes sense. I thought that was still a fucking cutscene, so I didn't do anything. Is he gonna get up? He unalive himself because his battle buddy sucked? Yeah, well. If there's one thing we've learned, Chris Redfield's a fucking bitch. Alright. We're back to fine, even though we only got 3 fucking bullets. Alright. I'm so glad we ran into the guy that I didn't know about, nor do I care about. This game wants me to care, but I don't. And you know whose fault that is? The game. Alright. Let's try and go this way. I'll be honest. If I have to redo all this, I probably will. Because I've been loosey-goosey with my fucking ammo. Loosey-goosey. Alright, let's drink for our buddy and the fact that I couldn't tell it was a cutscene anymore, so I took damage I shouldn't have taken damage. Alright, cheers, salute, keep time for drink. Bro, how many fucking cutscenes are there?
You. Chris Redfield, Alpha Team. We're here to rescue you. Richard, what the hell happened to you? Chris, this place. Get your team out of here. Demons everywhere.
Don't talk. He seems to have been bitten by a poisonous snake. The size of the bite mark is huge.
It's not just any ordinary snake. Take my word for it.
He needs serum. I left it in another room.
I'll go get it.
Please hurry.
Hold on. I'll be back.
I don't. I want to let him die, to be honest. What the fuck is this Mickey Mouse shit? That's the fastest he's ever fucking run. My God. This fucking game. It's all the way over there. Well, of course it is. It's 3:30. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if I can make it till 4. I'm ready to stop playing now. But that's me. Oh, there's that fucking guy up here. God damn it. Let's go back downstairs. Fuck that. I ain't dealing with that bitch. Fuck him. Send him straight to Hala. Alright. Let's go. Another door. Probably gonna be zombies on the other side of this door. I'm surprised that guy didn't jump up and start attacking me. Yeah, I got alarms going off at 3:30. It's probably time to shut this bitch down. Oh, fucking camera angles, bro. Alright. This motherfucker, boy. God damn it, bruh. What the fuck is this game? Now I'm stuck in here because I don't know how to fucking else to get down. Fuck. This fucking game sucks. Fuck this game. You use boots kicking every door in a single match. No, boots aren't. You don't use boots for that. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here, we're gonna get this serum or whatever, and we're gonna fucking save. I'll make a new save file, I'm not gonna overwrite in case I wanna redo it. But I think I've had it fucking enough. Serum. Yes, I'm gonna take the serum. I've had a fucking enough. We're gonna save right here. Health's still good. That's what I was worried about. We're gonna save. We're gonna shut it down. Cause I'm fucking tired. Tired of this game. You know what? If I can load mods into this, I'd play it and just fucking start one tapping motherfuckers. I'd do that. That's what I would fucking do. If you guys ask me what I can fucking do, that's what I'd fucking do. I don't have anything else that's like spooky installed. Death Stranding, I got the discs at Shelly's. Darksiders 3, this one's really fun. I've been meaning to finish all of them. Darksiders is fun. Yeah, we're gonna shut it down tonight, guys. I'm tired. Long day. This game's got me fucking fed up. Infinite Bullets mod, yeah. I wouldn't mind the way the zombies are if I had infinite bullets. You're right. That's a great point. All right. That being said, definitely not the worst game I ever played, but man, I'm just not. All of a sudden, I progress in the story, and now all these zombies that were dead are alive again because I didn't blow their heads off. Well, give me a way to blow their heads off, or give me a way to cut their heads off so I can make sure they're dead. Right? I can double tap them. I don't know. Whatever. Appreciate y'all being here. I love you. I'm gonna work on my spookiness for tomorrow. We'll make it more spooky, more better. One thing I do want to look at. Let's go back to the main screen. Let's check our wheel of names. Wheel of names of games to play. I don't have the PlayStation games on here, but I'll probably add them on. We have a lot of games to choose from. So we still have. Well, here's what I'm thinking. Silent Hill 2 is, like everybody keeps saying, it's really good. Everything I see about it is really good. So I might try and buy that at the end. If you start on easy, I think you get double the bullets. Yeah, that makes sense. I should have done easy. Fuck it. Oh well, here we are. But yeah, we'll pick something else to play. Metal Hellsinger is one I want to play. Witchfire is another one. There's new updates and shit. We can always continue playing Doom. Because I didn't get to show you this. Brian, you weren't on stream yet, I think. I got my Revenant, whatever he's called. I got him down, so that'll be fun. We continue with Doom Eternal. That also being said, the guy that's beaten it 5 times on the hardest difficulty said I'm at 40%. So I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do, if we're going to go back to that or not, but we'll see. That all being said, once again, I love you all. Thank you for being here. It's been a long day. Thank you for sharing time with me. I appreciate it, really do. I'm sorry I've been whiny little bitch, but goddamn, this is annoying. It's fucking annoying, okay? It's fucking annoying. All right. I want to have fun. I don't want to be challenged, but I also want to have fun. It's not fun, then what am I doing here, right? All right. I'm out. I'm going to bed. Good night. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Like a warlord. Good night.